Oh boys, good morning. It is Saturday, April 8th. It's currently 9:40 in the morning. I was gonna wake up at 8:40, but I was having a really good dream last night about playing basketball. So I didn't want to go wake up. I tried to go back to sleep for a little bit, and here we are. It is April 8th. It is officially the last day here at CFI, guys. We got 292 miles to cover this morning. Got to go through Tulsa, Joplin, Kansas City. We're gonna take it on in a straight run and be done. So with that said, you know, it's been a great journey over this last year. All these pleasant experiences with CFI, you know, everything I've done here, every place I've been, every person I've met, CFI drivers, man, it's been one heck of a time, and I wouldn't want to change it any other way. So, you know, I just want to say thank you to everyone who helped me with my journey here at CFI over the past year, and said hi if they saw me, drove for CFI, any of that fun stuff. Got a quarter tank of DEF. I think we can make it to Kansas City on that. It's only 290 miles, and there's a Love's near Joplin if not. So like I said, guys, I want to just say thank you guys so much for being here, sticking around, supporting the channel over the last year. It really does mean a lot. You know, the content's not ending. We're going somewhere else, and literally one of my first questions I asked all these companies is, do you allow YouTube channels? And yeah, so I talked to that CFI driver this morning, and he's like, I told him I was done. Today's my last day. And he was like, congratulations, man. I was like, yeah, it's exciting, I'm ready. So he's like, yeah, me too. Oh, can I not exit out this way? Oh boy, I don't think I can. Yeah, I can, okay. But like I said, today's the day. I just repeated that like 400 times. But yeah, we woke up this morning, we're ready to go. 290, oh my, oh, it's recalculating. I was gonna say 290 miles. But, oh boy, I should have went out the other way.
Turn left on Northwood Drive.
Oh yeah, I should have went out the other way. Today's gonna be like a real thing where I like realize how much crap I left in the truck. Yeah, I should have went out the other way, bro. Oh God. Go down to the other entrance, bro. Can we just get out of here, please? Turn on your right turn signal, I'll pull out. God dang it. Alright, I'm just gonna start going out. I don't care. This truck's going super slow. Oh, now they have a green light. Okay, well, we're gonna wait until we can get out of here. I know a couple of people have asked over the, you know, fan of my channel how I've been mounting my Garmin to my dash just like that. So maybe I'll, like, when I get into the new truck at the new company, I'll show you guys what I put behind the Garmin to get it to actually stick, and it sticks very well. It's fallen off a couple times, but not while I'm driving, just like when it's idling at night. So I mean, that's pretty good if you ask me. I mean, I don't know, it's not the greatest, but it's definitely like decent enough to where I'm not like, okay, I'm just gonna stick it to the window. But yeah, guys, it has, I don't even know what to say, you know. Let me know. I can talk about, I don't know, you should be able to talk about it. I can give you guys a general idea if you guys want to know, like, want me to make a video on how much money I made in my entire year at CFI. You know, it's actually, I would consider it over a year. You know, as CFI doesn't, but that's okay. You know, like, when I went to trucking school, I didn't make any money that month, you know, $15 a day for like a month. So, you know, whatever that is, like $450. I don't even know what 30 times 15 is. And then, you know, waiting on a trainer, yeah, it's $90. every day. You get layover pay. And yeah, so I can make a video on that, kind of just break it down, let you guys know. And but yeah, this is the video of me finally turning in the truck. And you know, this is goodbye to Lucy. For those of you who have been around since November when we got Lucy, dude, Lucy's been a great truck. Neither of my trucks really ever went in the shop. The first one had a def problem, like I don't even know, like a regen problem, so it went in for like a day. But honestly, being a day on breakdown for a whole year really speaks the volume for how much CFI actually takes care of their equipment. You know, I hope the same thing, it's the same way at the next company. Hardly any shop time, everything's running smoothly. You know, I mean, like, I don't really count a blown out tire as a breakdown, because occasionally tires blow out, right? Especially when you're driving 100,000 miles a year. I do think we hit 100,000 miles in our first year of CFI. Nothing more, just 100,000. It would have been more though, if those months, October through February, weren't so slow. But yeah, so this is it, guys. And when this video comes out, I'm probably already at orientation for the next company. So, you know, it's exciting. We're going to orientation on Wednesday though. So if you're watching this on a Wednesday, I'm probably at orientation. But yeah, I just decided, you know, yesterday was 2 days ago was very stressful. You know, I just couldn't figure out what they were wanting me to do, all that. So I called GP and I was like, hey, like, you know, let's put it out to Wednesday, because I just need a couple days off. So I'm gonna get, you know, half of today off, full day Sunday, full day Monday, and then Tuesday I'm gonna be driving from Kansas City to Joliet, Illinois for orientation. So yeah, I don't know, I don't want to ramble too much, because this video, you know, is just, this is it, guys. Maybe I should talk. You know what? Who cares, dude? If you don't enjoy what I'm having to say, I'm more making this videos for myself. You know, one day when I'm done driving, I can go back and look at all the time I spent on my life out on the road and probably regret it all. You know? But yeah, like, I want to be able to go back and, like, of course I'm gonna remember some of this, but I want to be able to go back and actually know, like, what I was feeling in that day, you know? So this is where we're at, and the road construction ends here, so we can speed back up. We're going a little faster a little fast, 60. It said 62, but this thing's off by like 2 miles an hour. Like, see, it says 67, 65, so. But obviously this truck, that's whatever. It's the last day. Doesn't matter. Just relax, Jay. Everything's gonna be okay when you're riding with Jay down the highway. Don't worry about it, because we're headed straight, and everything will be okay when you ride with Jay. That was dumb. We have in the works for a new intro though, and I'm hoping it's here by the day we start the new company. So we have a new intro. So yeah, be looking forward to that, guys. Question hasn't been asked, but I'm gonna just say it. So it happened today. I was glad it happened today. That's why it made me think of it. Over the last year, I'd say I've only had about 5 air pumps by maybe 6 or 7, I don't know. But, you know, like, people come up and they're pumping their arm, and happened today. I don't know, there's a little girl in the back seat. Her window wasn't down, but I saw her, like, doing this. So she's either dancing or she, like, knew what she wanted, but I did it. Nah. So, but then also, I've also had one person moon me, so that was kind of funny, dude. I was never expecting to see that, and some, like, high school group of guys fucking drove by me and stuck their ass out the window, dude. I started laughing so hard. It was so funny. Oh my goodness, that I can't. I think I was in, like, Georgia or something, dude. I just cracked up when I saw that. So anyways, yeah, 225 miles with Lucy, and she's gone. We'll do one for the video. You ready? Hey, there you go. I don't think I've ever, I guess I did, like, right when I first started. I was recording, this family was standing on the side of the road pumping their arms, so there you go. There's Lucy's horn. She tooted it one final time. Down to the last 100 miles, baby. 100 miles to go. I don't even know what this video is gonna be like, dude. It's probably just gonna be like me excited to just, like, be done, you know? But you never know. I didn't leave on bad terms, I think. I think we left on pretty good terms, so if I go over to somewhere else, which I hope everything works out, dude, but if it doesn't, we might have to do the old Dave and come back, you know, until we can figure something else out. I probably shouldn't even say that. I probably just ruined my next chance if I even have one. I called Patrick and I just thanked him yesterday for everything, you know, over the last year, how helpful he's been and everything. And he sent me a message. He's like, I appreciate it, Jay. He's like, if you need anything, you know where I'll be, you know. So I gave 2 weeks notice, and I don't know, some of my videos probably weren't the best. Some days I was really upset, and they probably weren't as bad as they could have been, because I kind of was like, you know, I can't go that far, but you know, they were there. So yeah, 100 miles left here. It's just the stretch of Interstate 49 northbound into Kansas City and into Grandview, and yeah, we're gonna stop here. There's a Love's just like 20 miles away from Grandview. Fill up on def because it's almost out. I'm kind of pushing it right now, so fill that up, probably top the gas off, get those Love's points. Might as well get them, you know, like might as well get them while I can. And yeah, I think GP fuels at Pilot, which isn't bad because Pilot normally has parking like 24/7. Like Love's is definitely the truck stop. Everyone agrees it's the better one. But you know, I'm gonna have to take showers at Pilot's, which at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. But you know, just how it goes sometimes in life. And if you want to make more money, sometimes you got to be okay with small sacrifices like that. So we'll see you guys in about 100 miles. We're gonna do one last drop with you guys. All right, guys, we just stopped at this Love's and got fuel. Got 22 miles to go, and Lucy's gone. So we're just waiting on like 4 trucks to back in right now, including that CFI over there. Just wait and make sure that these guys are good to go. All right, guys, this is it. Half a mile away. We are done, boy. We got to back this trailer in, drop her, detach the tractor from the trailer, and yeah, that's where we're at here. So, and then I'm gonna go and get some Jersey Mike's for lunch because it's almost 3. I haven't ate anything today. I'm kind of hungry. Just get like a 6-inch from Jersey Mike's. My uncle said he was here. I don't see him. I'll call him if anything. Or maybe he's sitting down by the other entrance. I'm not sure. It's okay. Just pull in here. And no, I don't see him at all. Maybe that's him down there. He has a blue car. Alright, let me get out and enter this gate code. Alright, so last time backing in Lucy, boys. Waiting on the gates open here. We drove 5 hours straight this morning to get here so we could get her done. And yeah, that's where we're at. So we're gonna get in here, find the easiest spot to pull in, obviously. Never work harder than you have to, right? Am I right or am I right? I'm right, always right. Every day is okay when you're riding with Jay. So, where's the easiest spot at? Probably one of these right here. It says 45665 or whatever the heck it is. We'll just put it in one. We don't even have to. Maybe we will go right next to it. Boom, 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 boom. No trailers. Did we nail that? I think we just nailed the last back with Lucy. Maybe. We're like right on that line. I think we're good though, honestly. Look at that, boys. Alright, what we're gonna do though is pull up here just to give us room on that side so we can drop it. Got the room we need. Nose to nose. Right there. Get out and drop loose, or drop the trailer. I don't think I need to do anything else on the tablet. Just mark that it was made successfully. 41729. It's an exciting day here. Enter pig trailer 0, leaving with loaded trailer number. No and no. We do not want to go on the board. This is it. Alright, so that guy is actually picking up this load, so I just handed him over those bills instead of putting them in the lockbox. Last time with Lucy, boys. We're gonna set this trailer down nice and gentle too. And drop that down. I don't know where I'm supposed to park the truck. I thought I was supposed to park it next to that sleeper there, but I'm just gonna park it in one of these spots, I guess. Alright. It's all she wrote, boys. All she wrote. We'll probably go further down where we drop this at. Just park it further down, that way it's not really in the way. But yeah, we're gonna start moving stuff out here in a second. So, well guys, it's pretty much cleaned out. Got my rug out. I have some trash, but there's no trash bin here, and I don't know, it sucks. I guess I can, there's some trash up there too, but if I was in Joplin, I'd be throwing all this stuff away, but there's no trash here. It's just like a little drop yard. I'll be nice. I'll pick it all up for, you know, these, whoever has to detail the truck out or whatever. Just throw it all in this bag. I said I was leaving the TV, and I am. Just whoever gets the truck next can have the TV. But I'm pretty sure I've got it all. I hope so. I hope I didn't leave anything behind. And yeah, so make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content, and yeah, I think I got it all. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.